Ever wonder why we get hiccups? It's actually a spasm of the diaphragm muscle. This involuntary contraction causes a sudden intake of breath, and that rush of air hits your vocal cords, creating that hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by many things, like eating too fast or drinking soda. Even excitement or stress can set them off. Most hiccups go away on their own, but some can last longer. If they do, it might be time to see a doctor. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's all in the diaphragm.